Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a natural solution that has been helping men around the world enhance their performance and enjoy longer-lasting experiences in the bedroom, Jamaican Stone. So what exactly is Jamaican Stone? Originating from the Caribbean, this all-natural product is derived from the secretion of a tree. It has been traditionally used to delay ejaculation and prolong intimate moments, making it a go-to solution for men seeking to boost their sexual stamina. Let's talk about the key benefits. Jamaican Stone is renowned for its ability to delay ejaculation, allowing you to last longer and satisfy your partner. Not only does it help in prolonging your experience, but it also intensifies sensations, leading to more powerful and fulfilling orgasms. Many users have shared their experiences with Jamaican Stone, praising it for its effectiveness and natural approach to enhancing performance. Whether you're looking to spice up your intimate life or simply want to be at your best, Jamaican Stone offers a discreet and powerful solution. Jamaican Stone can be a game changer in your intimate life, helping you achieve greater control and satisfaction. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to follow the instructions carefully and enjoy the benefits it brings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.